course, you know, that's out of the box. The sky is pretty cool though. Filming that, I'm filming everything. Shit, hold on. You know, yeah.
Pop the hood so bad, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I am. This car is sexy. Banana sex is nice too. The lighting is pretty good right now. It's like nice.
Oh, he's a YouTuber.
What?
He's a YouTuber.
Which one?
On the bike?
Oh. Let me see. With the skyline behind it. Oof. Oof, the front fucking fitting wild, huh?
Yep. You can't just go slow and expect to fucking
Clean. Well, for a drift car, you know, I mean, it's clean. Oh shit, the beamer. Yeah, that's why I wouldn't want to camp here. I feel how cold the fucking breezes.
Dude, I love it with the 5.
Damn.
Oh, I love that it has a dark tint already. Dude, this is perfect setup right here.
I know.
Looks good with the fucking calipers fucking yellow like that.
It's like a
nice
minimalist, but
taste,
like
yeah.
a little. That's it.
That's it. Gridlife.
Alright, you guys. So pretty much that's our stay at Gridlife. We're not gonna stay for the concert. Getting pretty cold and we are pretty tired. We started this day very early. You know, waking up at 3 o'clock is definitely tough and the challenge. And let alone just the drive. I try to include as much as possible from different things at the event. You know, this year I was a spectator, so I think this is gonna be a lot longer or well, a different video series compared to what I did last year when we came here and raced our race car. But you know, this year was different. Probably I missed still a bunch of stuff because there is so many things happening at the same time, or you know, very continuously. I mean, it's for us it's a 350-mile trip, but definitely I'm gonna do it next year and the upcoming years because I think it's just really fun and the drive is really fun. It's something you get out and you out of your comfort zone and spend the day with like-minded people doing like-minded things, whether they competing or just here to enjoy the show. But also I would say, you know, when you work and race, it's definitely also just as challenging. But I hope you guys enjoy what I'm trying to bring. And yes, Christian, any words, Christian?
I love the
Oh shit. We're gonna beep that out. But yeah, I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video series, and if you guys liked it, this one is gonna be at the end of it, right? I mean, don't forget to leave a like, I guess, subscribe for more, and see you guys later. Sorry, I like my Hondas, man. Come on now, can you go wrong with a Hondita? And the answer is no. Well, sometimes, depending on what Hondita you get. Oh shit, actually this Tesla is not bad. Like, I mean, sorry, but usually they black, white or gray. I like it, I think it's pretty clean. Little wheels, you know, nothing crazy. It's alright for a Tesla, I guess. Alright, Christian, we made it back to the car.